Thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how, by improving your website, you can get more exposure, outrank your competition, and of course, get more patients. So, first things first, I have a website pulled up here, and aesthetically, it looks really, really good. I seem to have quite decent amount of content, but my suggestion here would be to consider to improve your content, especially the wording, because if you add the different keywords, because I see that you are doing chiropractor in Edison, New Jersey, and that's helping you a lot, but just for the area of Edison. Now, depending on your goals, if you want to target other cities, regardless if you're not located or not, for example, it could be Princeton, it could be Freehold, you can target those cities and get those get advantage of the volume search of those two that I just mentioned. Um, but it all depends if you want to expand a little bit more. That will be the first suggestion to improve the content if you want to reach more people. So let's take a look on the back end of your website really quick here. Let's give it a second. Let's see. Okay, so you are being found for 100. Oops, sorry. My apologies. Give it a second. Okay, so you being found for 181 keywords is bringing you 126 visits a month to your website. It seems that you're running Google Ads here, and we can take a look on that later. And you have over 1,200 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website and will give you power so you can be found on Google as well. Now, depending on the backlinks that you get, these ratings will start climbing up, the domain rating and the URL rating. But not all backlinks are created equal. So you can have hundreds of dozens of links, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you need to be found for, this could be completely useless. So let's take a look really quick on the keywords that you are being found for. And Backsmart Wellness, of course, that's your brand name. You're ranking number one. Let's take a look. Energy healers. I'm not sure if that's something you want to target, but there's 80 searches a month, and you're ranking number 8 for that specific keyword. Chiropractor Edison, New Jersey. There's only 20 searches a month. You're ranking number 3, of course, because that's the area that you are located at, and you're only getting less than 3 visits for these 20 searches. So not too much that you can take advantage of there. Massage Edison. I'm not sure if that's one of the um, keywords that you want to target for, but there's 100 searches a month. You're on the second page, and you're only getting around 2 visits a month for that specific keyword as well. So that's just really quick on the keywords that you're being found for. Not too much relevance besides the chiropractor Edison, New Jersey. If we go back, let's take a look really quick on the Google Ads that you are running. And okay, you're running chiropractor Bayonne, New Jersey, which has 100 searches a month, and it's costing you each time somebody clicks on it $6. So you're getting 82 straight to your website. Syracuse chiropractor. I'm not sure if that's something you want to target for because that's kind of a far, but still, 80 searches a month and 99 going over there. So you're still paying for those. You can see the price here that you're paying for each one of the clicks. Now, whoever is running this, it has to be something that if it's not done properly, you can end up losing a lot of money and not seeing the result that you need to. Chiropractor Edison in Elizabeth, New Jersey. There's 40 searches a month. and you're getting 4% of that traffic. So, and it's costing you 60 cents every time somebody clicks on it. So something to keep in mind. Um, if I do a Google search, for example, I did a Google search for chiropractor aids in New Jersey, and of course, you were ranking on the first results, but this has more volume, so I did that. And the first thing you're going to see, of course, this is the Google Ads. Um, like I told you, you pay every time somebody clicks on it. Then you have your map section, and regardless where you're located, um, this is something that you definitely would like to be there, because if you're in this top three and you are in this top three over here, these are the organic results. Um, you can definitely get a lot more of traffic to your website, because 67% of the people that do a Google search, they don't even pass this top three or this top three over here. That means that they don't go all the way down, not even to the second or third page. So you might be missing a lot of opportunities here, a lot of leads or potential new patients that are looking for these services. So for the purpose of the video, I went and pull out this website and compare it to you and why they're ranking in this first page, if that makes sense. So we have here, they have a lot of pages, of course. Um, Probably they're targeting the correct keywords on the content, and not just on the home page, but on the other pages. Because if we look on the back end of their website, they're being found for 373 keywords, is bringing them around 209 visits a month to their website. They have over 2,500 backlinks. Oops. And you can see that they're ranking on that. But again, and they're only running one Google ad. And in comparison to you, let's take a look here again. You have less of the keywords that you're being found for, but they have to be relevant. So they can be found for more keywords, but if they're not relevant, if they're just being found for um, irrelevant phrases or words, it's not going to do anything. But it seems that they're targeting for the correct ones. For example, let's take a look really quick. And yes, the chiropractor NJ, there's 100 searches a month. Um, and they're getting 38 for those searches, and they're ranking number one for that. Same thing on this one; it has 70 searches over here, and they're ranking number one. They're getting 24, so that's quite a lot of the searches. They're getting quite a lot of traffic. Um, Chiropractors NJ, another one, 150, and they're ranking number 6. They just lost 2 spots, but again, you can take advantage of this volume for these specific keywords, and you can see the difference. Besides, instead of going doing Google Ads, because I see that you might be spending more money on Google Ads and not seeing the results that you want. But again, it all depends on what are your goals. So I don't want to make this too long. So if you find this information useful, if you think we can help you out, we can definitely help you out. Or even if you have any other questions, I will be more than happy to answer any of them. Feel free to reach out. Our information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.